Hey everyone, I'm real excited tonight. I got in my first set of wireless mics and I picked up a set of the Saramonic Blink500 B6 and I wanted to give you a quick unboxing and show you what I see and have an initial reaction. I'm really pumped. I've been using these wired lavs that you can see for a while now. It's hooked up to my phone here. Just plugged right in, and they're great, but can't do a whole lot with them or get very far, even with the extensions. So check this out with me, and let's see what we got. Okay, so this is what I ordered. I watched several videos on YouTube about different ones, and these weren't my first choice, but they did become my first choice after watching several videos on what to get and why, and then doing some research. There was another device that I really wanted to get, and it was double the price, and it seemed very, very useful, but probably out of my technical capabilities at the time. I'm brand new to doing YouTube videos and using equipment like this, so when I found the review on these ones, I decided they were still very high priced for what I thought I wanted, but anything cheaper was just not worth it. I tried a super cheap one and it was horrible. So this was the next best thing. Several good reviews about it, and I like what I saw. So I went straight to the Saramonic website and purchased it straight from them. I didn't get it on Amazon, although the price was the same. It was discounted down from $279 to $219 for this set. There are cheaper sets, but I wanted two mics because I plan on interviewing people. So it comes in this nice little package. There's a sleeve that comes in. Set that over there. Really nice looking box, very sturdy. And looks like I got some tape I need to cut. I'll use my old knife. This was gifted to me by my grandpa, who I'm named after. And I got it when he passed away. It was the one gift that he left me with that I got. So I'm very thankful to have it. I love it. I cherish it. And it reminds me of him. Okay, so let's open it up here. That felt magnetized. Yep. So the lid is magnetized. That's really cool. And this is what we see. This is like a card. Oh, there's my mics, and there's the receiver. And this probably has the cords in it. It came with two lavalier mics and charging cables, so I'm expecting that to be in here. There's one. There's a lav mic. There's my other charging cable and a second mic. Okay, that's what we got in there. This is probably the instructions. It's got a pen, it comes with. Quality certificate, okay. My registration. Got some stickers. And my instructions. So, general introduction. Okay. So there we go. Now let's get to the good stuff. There's my first mic. That looks really neat, really sleek. Power button. Hey, I got power. Okay. Let's get my second mic here. Okay, we got power on both of them. That's great. Looks like I got a plus and minus, and see if I can get that to focus. that says pair right there. So imagine you have to pair it hitting those two. And I'm not sure if it'll work right out of the box or not. Okay, I'm going to see if my old phone here, my sadly broken Samsung that has this huge crack right in there. There's my two beautiful kids. Oh, we'll get power there. I saw a blinking light. Once. I do have a case on them. I need to take it off. Let's see here. Take my case off. There we go. Okay, it did blink once, so I bet I need to use this pin. Get the pin out. There's that little guy. And it's got to be used to pair. Yep, it says pair right there on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to hit that, push it in. Not do anything. Okay, so I'm going to grab this and hit this pair button, holding both of them down at the same time. I'm going to push this in at the same time too. See if it does anything. Okay, well, I will read the instructions and figure that out. But that's what we got. That's what it looks like. Hooked up, ready to go. We can do a review on how it works at another time. But thanks everyone for watching. That's what you're going to get if you order the Saramonic Blink500 B6. It's on sale for $219 right now. And you get two mics that can operate individually with this single receiver that plugs into the bottom of your USB-C cable. Just the new style, right? So there you go. Thanks for watching.